Hello, I'm Ashutosh. Nath is my full name. Nath is my surname. Uh, I'm a teacher of a long experience, above 20 years, and I'm a physics teacher. I enjoy teaching physics to students. My idea every time I stand in a class and try to teach students is twice over. Okay, on the one hand, I want the students to do well in their exams. On the other hand, I do want to ensure that the beauty of the subject should not go, undiscovered by the students. So I want them to understand the subject as well. In fact, I hold that if you understand the subject, you will be interested in it, and whatever you are interested in, you will become very good at. So, according to me, to make my students good in physics, I must make them fall in love with the subject, and that can only be done if they see sense in the subject. If they begin to see that physics is there, in every step in this world, in this classroom, as I speak to you, there is a lot of physics going on. I have taken some lectures for neet2.com in physics in the area of electromagnetism. Fine. It is this kind of thing which I want you to appreciate somewhere, so that you begin to see the physics that we teach you in your everyday life. In every step you take, there is physics. The business of physics is to talk about every phenomenon that, from birth until death, each and every one of us sees. We may not know the reason behind why this happens, but it is the business of physics to figure that out, to understand that. And so this is a subject which is, I am in love with this subject, and if I can, apart from helping you in getting more marks, in helping you, achieve your immediate goal of getting into a medical college, if I can, a class or a set of students, if I can give them just the slightest of this, inkling of the very interesting things that this subject entails, then I think I am doing my job properly. And once in a while, not everybody, but some students have come to me and they have said, "Thanks, sir, for making the subject interesting." Okay, thank you.